Hi, I'm Bertrand the Tech Man coming back at you with another video. In this video, we're going to look at Padlet. I'm going to show you how to download, install, and set up a Padlet site. So let's check it out.
Get strong.
So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to Padlet. You simply do that by going to the store on your computer, and then you want to type in Padlet, and the Padlet app will come up. Now I already have it downloaded on my system, but you would simply tap on it and then you would hit get to download it, and then after it downloads, then the next thing you want to do is you want to launch it. So when we hit launch, then it's going to you're gonna have to log into an account. So we're going to log into an account. So we're going to want to set up an account. So to set up an account, you simply put your email address in, and then you put a password in. It's asking you if you want to allow this to access your info. I say yes. I'm sure all the information is proper. So now, once you get to this screen, now you're in the process to make a decision. You can choose either the basic forever package, which means that you will get 3 Padlets only. You get up to 10 megabyte files only, and the standard support. Or you can choose the Pro package for $8 a month, and that will give you unlimited Padlets, 250 megabyte files, priority support, and folders as well. So for this video tutorial, we're going to choose the free. So we hit select. Now you'll notice that it automatically takes you to the screen. And on this screen, there are several things that we're going to look at. I like to start from left to the right. So the first thing we'll look at is make a Padlet. Now if you click the plus sign here, what that's going to do is it's going to give you the ability to create a Padlet, join a Padlet. If you know someone else that already have a Padlet, then you can click that to link to their Padlet. Gallery, this is going to show you what's in the gallery. And upgrade, you can upgrade to the $8 a month package. So we're going to look at, let's create a Padlet. Now when you create a Padlet, they give you several different templates that you can use, and each template will give you a different look for your Padlet home screen. You can set it up. The first one here is a wall format, which means that the content will be in a brick-like layout. Or you could do canvas, which means that it basically, you could scatter it. It could be moved around any kind of way that you want to. Or you could do it in a stream format, which basically means that it'll be easy to read from top to bottom. You could go grid if you wanted to, or you could go shelf, or you could go back channel, or maps if you want to add content to points on a map, or you could choose timeline. The simplest one I think would be the wall. So let's look at the walls. We're going to hit select. Now it's starting to create your Padlet. Now you'll notice that when it creates your Padlet, what it does is it gives you a background, and you can change that background, and I'm going to show you how to do that as well. So let's look at some features though. Let's look at some things on the right side here. Some settings that you can do to customize it. First of all, you can give it a title. I'm going to call this Bertrand Techman Pad. And I'm going to say that the description, we techifying your mind. Okay, and if you wanted to use an icon, you could use an icon. You could click on this and it's going to take you to a place where you can get emojis or various icons that you can use. Emojis, the cat icon, the utensils, sports, cars, ideas, love, and flags and so on. But I'm not going to use any of those. So we'll just go back. Next thing, if you wanted to copy your link to your Padlet link and give it to someone else, you could use this copy here, and then you could paste it in either text message or an email or whatever means of communication that you use digitally. The appearance. Now you'll notice here it has that brown type cement wall fixture, and that's really kind of depressing. So you can change that if you want to. So to change it, you just simply click on it. Now you have different things that you can do. You can go with solid colors, and it will give you a list of solid colors, and you can choose one of those. Or you can go with gradients. You can choose one of those. You can go with texture and patterns. You can choose those, if one of those if you like, or you can go with pictures. Now it has many pictures in here. You can scroll on down till you find one that fits your liking. But what I want to do is I want to add my own wallpaper, so we'll use my logo. So in order to do that, you simply go here. You can go to download. Now when you go to download, you hit pick a file, and it's going to take you to the files on your system. Now I want to go to the pictures, and then I want to find my logo. So there's my logo. I'm going to choose that. I hit open. Now you'll notice that it's going to automatically upload, and it's going to put the BTM logo there. So now that logo is there. I like that. It's nice. It's me. I'm good to go. So we're going to go back. Now if you wanted to change the color scheme, you could change it. I'm going to basically leave it the same. If you want to change the font, and I think I will change the font to that one. I like that one better. It's a little bit more computerish. Okay, so if you wanted to make sure that your name is above each post, then you could click this on. That's not necessary for me. New post position. You know, where do you want your new post to appear, first or last? Do you want to allow viewers to comment on your post? That's always a good thing, but dangerous, so I'll hit yes. Reactions. Do you want to allow them to give you grades, to vote, to like, to post? You can do that if you want to. I'll just leave that blank as well. Now, content filtering. This is very important. You can require approval if you want to, which would require the moderator to approve. Or you could filter the profanity. And that's what I generally do. I generally filter the profanity. Okay, so that's set up. So next, we want to go to the next. Hit the next button. Now that we're set up, we're going to start posting. So we're all set. So you click the start posting sign, and that takes you out. Now you go down here to the bottom where it says plus. Now this will give you the opportunity to create a post. So you hit this, and you'll notice that it comes up on the screen automatically. So you can give it a title. Okay, so the title I want to give this is my latest video. Video. Okay. Check this out now. Okay, so now what you can do here is you have several features or several things that you can do. For example, you can upload something. If you want to pick a file from your computer, you can do that by just clicking pick a file, and then you go through and you choose whatever file you want to put on. If you want to put a picture on there, then that's fine. You hit open, and boom shakalaka, is going to unload it, and it's going to put it on the screen. It's uploading, and you see there's the picture. Now, I don't like that picture. It makes no sense, so I'm going to X out of it. Next, you have the link. Now with this, if you had an address that you wanted to put in here, you could put it in here. If you knew your YouTube address or your social media address, you could put that information in here and then hit save. We're not going to do that. Now, if you wanted something off of the internet itself, either images, videos, GIFs, audio, or even go to the web, you can choose either one of these and click on it, and then you can add that and it will upload it as it did the picture. But what we're going to do is we're going to go to the ellipses here. We're going to hit more. So what I want to do is, you notice here you have some of the same options that you had earlier. They're just in a more extensive format. You can go with upload a file, link, search for Google, snap photo, a film, voice, screen, draw, place, or Padlet itself. Link someone else's Padlet. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to Google, and I'm going to go to videos, and I'm going to type in Bertrand Techman. And then I'm going to hit search, see what comes up. Okay, so there are some of my videos, so I'm going to say we will do this one. All right, now you notice that it put my video there. So my latest video, the Rode NT Mini versus the 5-fine USB. All right, so we have that. Okay, close, so I don't want to remake it. Now, if I wanted to share, you just simply click on share, and then you can choose invite members, or you can add members. You can keep the Padlet secret, hidden from the public, and if you choose to share it with someone, then they should be able to access it. You can copy the link to the clipboard, and then you can send it via text message, emails, or what have you. You can get a QR code. You can embed it in your blog or website. You can email it. You can share it on Facebook, on Twitter, on Google Classrooms. You can also export it by saving it as an image, a PDF, a CSV, or Excel spreadsheet, or you can even print it. So it gives you a lot of different features or ways to get whatever you have posted on here out. So this has been a quick tutorial on how to create the Padlet, how to operate it, how to create your first Padlet, and how to share that information with others. If you found value in this video, please subscribe, hit the like button, ring the bell, share, and comment. I will be doing more video tutorials like this on various applications. applications for Windows, for iOS, for Android, and for Samsung UI. So, I'm Bertrand the Tech Man. Thanks for watching. Please come back. And remember, before you try anything, always first check it out. Strong.